For humanity's set of experiences, innovation has taken leaps that have raised new ventures and economies. The most recent run? Metaverse. The Metaverse was constantly planned to be something other than a computer-generated experience application. First begot in 1992 by sci-fi writer Neil Stephenson, Metaverse has just barely entered the standard vocabulary not long after Facebook's considering naming change, which, unintentionally, is decisively outfitted towards making sci-fi vision a reality. Considering that there is no particular meaning of what a metaverse is, many contending metaverses will change our experience of web-based entertainment. Thusly, pioneers should begin to comprehend the significant ways this new mechanical worldview is set to fundamentally influence the fate of work. Assuming that you've been following the information, you've probably found out about it. This stylish popular expression portrays a fate of work wherein our everyday lives incorporate a whole world on the web. With the worldwide pandemic currently entering its third year, the majority of society has been compelled to move our opinion on interconnectivity and interoperability. Cooperation has never felt more challenging to accomplish, and really aggregate results appear to be close to difficult to consummate given every one of the actual constraints. The Metaverse innovation plans to connect that parasocial whole between existing on the web and reality. It vows to deliver vivid and imaginative roads for individuals to genuinely, in all embodiment of the world, live inside the cloud. Pioneers will then have to guarantee this vision representing things to come of work won't prompt representative burnout, wherein they spend more than the suggested measure of time submerged in the virtual world. Half and half working will as of now not be about the homework environment split, however about accomplishing balance between the virtual and the actual world. HR should foster new half-breed working arrangements to guarantee solid metaverse working practices. Hello, Explore Mindset, family. Welcome to the Explore Mindset YouTube channel, the feeling of presence in a too drawn-out show video by Imprint Zuckerberg. He makes sense of that the sensation of presence is the characterizing quality of the metaverse. You can consider it a spot in which individuals, basically existing as their 3D symbols, can move uninhibitedly and without borders thanks to the powers of expanded reality and computer-generated reality. It urges individuals to encounter genuine situations in a virtual world setting, taking equals from the real world and yet again enlivening it to fit the virtual scene. Clients won't draw in with this metaverse in an essential 2D limit, yet such that gives the sensation of really being there. The least demanding method for starting contemplating the metaverse is to ponder what it isn't. It's anything but another innovation, application, or instrument. The metaverse is a perspective about and consolidating numerous innovations to encounter how we use tech and collaborate with it across our lives in a completely new manner. If this sounds ambiguous, you're in good company. Some have contrasted characterizing the metaverse today with examining the web during the 1970s. The innovation brings the capacity, yet we should imaginatively decide its relevance. Yet, what will this mean for my work in cash, you inquire? It is still in its essential stages, yet at the same it is quite difficult. To start with, pioneers should urge their associations to figure out a stage vision. This implies having a profound comprehension of the rationale and engineering that goes into these computerized frameworks and how they incorporate into reasonable and versatile venture-wide design. They could likewise have to enlist experts knowledgeable in the metaverse environment, all bearing extraordinary information in profound advancements, for example, blockchain, man-made reasoning, PC vision, information examination, quantum processing and high-velocity organizations, to lead their computerized change programs. These said engineers should work in transdisciplinary groups comprising of metaverse advertising, marketing, business advancement and development experts who will be answerable for overhauling their association's item and administration portfolios and augmented reality client encounters and recognizing new business sectors and plans of action. The idea of metaverses will truly intend that there will be an outstanding blast in the sum and nature of individual information gathered and examined. This will imply that associations will require metaverse experts who utilize computerized reasoning and profound logical devices to expand vital level independent direction. how you decide to stir things up around town running when you at last plant your feet inside the metaverse can straightforwardly affect the amount you can benefit off of it. In the tech business, popular expressions go back and forth. A year prior, it was Dogecoin. Some 1,000 years prior, it was the web. There are those fortunate rare sorts of people who really do keep close by man-made reasoning, virtual or increased reality, crypto, blockchain. The rundown continues and gets more critical constantly as innovation takes greater steps and develops quicker. In any case, the most recent popular expression that is staying put, the metaverse. This previous year saw the metaverse going from a hypothetical idea to boundless tech reality. It's a vivid, advanced option in contrast to the actual existence where virtual symbols meet up to work, seek after leisure activities, shop, play, or any other way accumulate to take part in web-based networks and investigate the computerized space. The following part of the web has shown up, and she has no plans on going anyplace. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss upcoming interesting videos.